Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clean up completely previous Windows files. Type disk cleanup in Windows search bar. Click disk cleanup. Click OK to continue. Check previous Windows installation. Click OK to continue. Click delete files. Cleaning previous Windows installation started. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.